Hey guys, I hope you're well and I hope you're all safe. Let me know how you guys are feeling with this current situation, with everything that's happening. Just currently vlogging right now, vlogging quarantine. I know some of you requested to do like a quarantine vlog, so I'm doing that. And thank you all for the love on my previous video. I'm glad it helped a lot of you out there. I know a lot of you are going through a lot of emotions right now. We all are in this together, and yeah, just crazy with this whole situation. Just adjusting to it, and it just like, I feel like with this all happening, it just makes, this is kind of helping the planet in a way, because it's cut down on pollution and it's helping. Like I see all the birds coming out, and I've heard in Italy like you hear dolphins coming near the shore, which makes me so happy. And also I feel like with this happening, it just makes us appreciate kind of the little things in life. Like there's so much to appreciate, just being able to go out and have fresh air, being able to go to places to visit your loved ones. Like right now I can't see my fiance, I can't see my nephews, my older sister, my younger sister and me are working from home at the moment. My dad's off from work, thankfully, and my mum and my fiance are working in NHS. So they are like the heroes out there helping save many lives, and yeah, they said it's really crazy right now. So yeah, we're just doing what we can to help, staying at home, staying isolated, yeah, just staying at home. Like I've hardly ever gone out. Like I haven't gone out for the past 5 days, and I should probably go to the park. Sorry, that's my dad. I know I probably should go to the park, go for a quick walk or jog, get some fresh air, but I haven't. I'm gonna carry on organising my makeup after my dad's finished fixing it, because I tried myself, because I did put this together because my nephew kind of broke it, so I tried to fix it and it didn't work, so my dad's gonna help, and then I'm gonna organise my makeup. But in the meantime, I'm gonna watch a movie on Netflix. Right now my dad's helping me fix my drawers, taking the drawers apart, and just kind of gonna organise some of the drawers, and I need to organise and declutter my makeup stuff. Here, as you can see, so much. These are all old lipsticks. Like, this is like from 4 years ago. Like I'm not gonna wear this on my lips, so there's a lot of stuff I need to get rid of. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Fixing it, and then my sister's downstairs making something for lunch, making some Mexican fajitas with tortilla chips and guacamole. So this is what my sister's made: Mexican chicken, chickpeas, and then here's a tortilla chips, guacamole, and some salad. It looks so yum and it smells amazing. So I mixed in some chicken and chickpeas, so I got a mixture of both. And yeah, it's quite a lot of chips, but that's okay, it's alright. It's like quarantine. My cat's been loving the fact that we're home a lot more with her these days, so she's in here and she's there sleeping. Hello, hello, say hello. Yes, dear little kitty. Yes, I'll let you sleep. You Karen's sleeping. She likes sleeping under this blanket. So I asked you guys on my Instagram stories for some recommendations on some Netflix movies. I wanted something maybe chick flicks, funny, because I always watch like horror all the time or dramas, and these are the recommendations that you guys have sent me so far. If you're not following me on Instagram, you gotta follow me. Please do follow me. What we're going to do now, just chill, watch some Netflix, and then I'm gonna go back into doing decluttering. My dad's currently still fixing the drawers, almost done, so once he's done, I'm gonna start decluttering my makeup, get rid of stuff that I don't need. I did film a decluttering with me for my clothes, and you guys know I did, there's a lot of stuff that I gave for charity and put on sale even, but with makeup, like ones that are really old you can't use on your skin, I have to throw them away. I can't sell those or give them to charity because it's not good. Don't want to be giving expired makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna do that in a bit. I'm excited to clear that because I've been wanting to clear my makeup section for ages. And these days I hardly wear a lot of makeup. Well, I hardly ever did, but it's just like I don't need that many makeup products, so I'm just not into collecting makeup products as much as I used to. So yeah, I just don't see the point in me keeping all those makeup products. But yeah, anyways, and we're gonna watch a movie and I'll see you guys in a bit. Dad's fixed the drawers. I'm so happy, finally fixed. He had to put like extra nails in because these IKEA nails aren't strong enough, so put extra ones inside. Like this one over here is an extra he added, so that will make it strong. So I've got all my makeup products all in here, all separated. This is like from 3 drawers. As you can see, there's a lot of makeup in there. So I'm just gonna start decluttering and I'm gonna let you guys sit here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this box. So the stuff in here is the stuff that's on the top 3. So that's skincare, face makeup, so like foundation, powder and concealer, bronzers. So that's all of this in here, and I'm gonna go for it all one by one and declutter. And I've got this bag here. So in this bag I'm gonna put stuff that I can't use anymore, so if it's too old or stuff that I don't even use and just taking up space. So yeah, I'm gonna begin. I might just start by tipping this over, make it easier, make it look more messy, I don't know. I've already put my makeup palettes in here, so all the makeup palettes on here, and then these are ones that I don't even use. These are the ones that are too old and I can't use anymore. You scared? Oh no, baby, you scared of this bag? So I put double bag because these bags are quite thin. So we're gonna begin. Oh, okay. Let me quickly show you guys what I've done so far. This is only for the top 3 drawers. I've still got some left, like lips, eye makeup, and then like my Indian Bollywood stuff. So this over here is all stuff that are like either finished or I haven't used in ages, so are like really dried up. Like this is almost finished and I haven't used this in ages. This as well is really old, it's like years old. So these are all stuff that I can't wear, so there's no point keeping. And like this banana product, I can't remember the last time I used this. So yeah, these are stuff that I have to throw away. And this is all that's left. So this is all the face makeup. So that's face mist, foundation and powders. And then here is the contours, concealers, blush, all of that stuff. And then this is all the skincare stuff. So like creams, face masks, a lot of face masks. So once I put those in the drawers, I'm going to move on to the other stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. So I've just finished putting everything back inside here, and this bag over here is all the stuff that I'm throwing away. These colour pops, I bought these like maybe 4 years ago, and like this is like really old and crusty. And then this I bought high school days, Revlon eyeshadow, my first eyeshadow palette. So yeah, there's no point keeping all of that there. And then let me just show you how it looks inside. So the first section is skincare. Still a lot in here because I can't throw away any of my skincare or my masks and stuff. And then this is all my foundations, powder, primers, face mists. It's cut down a lot. There's a lot less in here compared to how it was previously. And then here is all my concealers, blush, bronzers, highlighters. Again, it's cut down a lot. And then all my lipsticks. Trust me, there was a lot more lipsticks in here, but yeah, that's all my lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and then lip liners at the back. And this is my eyes, so false lashes, just eye makeups, eyeliners, eyeshadows, and then there's some what do you call it, lashes at the back as well. And this is all the eyeshadow palettes. This again, so it's cut down so much. Before it was like I could barely even open this drawer. And this one is kind of like my hair products, and then my like Asian stuff in here, and here hair rollers in here, and then in here is just random bits like don't want to look in there. It's just like extra skincare bits and bath stuff, bath bombs. And then in here again, just random bits, goggles, travel stuff. Don't mind that in the corner. But yeah, that's everything done. Now I just need to move this back. I'm so happy. So I'm going to edit now. I'm probably gonna edit this one first. I do have another video that I filmed, but I'm thinking to upload this one first, and then probably tomorrow I'll see how the weather is, and I'll probably go jogging tomorrow's Sunday. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it wasn't boring. It was just like random stuff here and there, but mainly decluttering. If you'd like to see more vlogs from me, do give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell bar so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. My next video, I'm guessing, will be a video where I share tips on how you can start, beginners tips for starting YouTube. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload that video. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and of course stay safe, look after yourselves and your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.